7R 330. Let's do this. Oh, it's so exciting. Let's go. We're currently at 52k and tends to sit around 52, 53k when you max out. Now I'm using the Command Pro joystick, and as I said, I'm in full aggression mode. I've just pulled the activation trigger on the back and then pushed it all the way forward. That takes me to 50k. If I want to slow down, I can still use the foot brake, or I can just pull back, and I'm going to do it here because we're coming up to a bit of a bend. So I just pull back on the stick here. That actually uses engine braking, so I'm not actively engaging the brakes. I'm just using a bit of engine braking to slow me down to take around this slight corner here. Okay. And now just click it forward and take me back up to full speed. Bit of a bumpy road here. I've also got the dual screen, so I've got the Gen 4 4600 command center, and then I've got the Gen 4 extended monitor on this machine. So plenty of customization in terms of touchscreen usability. If I was out auto tracking, then I could have my auto track guidance on that screen, and then my machine management on this screen, or alternatively I could have maybe I had an iSpace implement. I could have my iSpace implement on one and then my guidance on the other, because once you've got your machine settings set up, especially if you're using iTech and the settings manager in the Gen 4 command center, you don't really need to refer to your machine dashboard or your machine metrics so much. Okay, so while we're just sitting here on the front lawn at Milton Common, I thought I'd just show you through some of the nicer features on this new 7R. Same as the new 8R, same cab, same layout. So we've got plenty of storage in this new machine. For example, up here we've got a nice office space to put paperwork and yield maps and all that kind of thing, variable rate maps. Up here on my right, we've also got a cubby storage space with an anti-slip mat that can come out, so nice and easy to clean that. Good for dropping, your sunglasses, your phone, that kind of thing in there. And then you've got up here we've got your mirrors, so electric mirror selection on there with the heated mirrors, and then this infotainment system. So not only do we have the dual screen monitors for all of our precision ag functions and tractor control, but we've also got this infotainment system, touchscreen, standalone. It is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready, so for all your different smartphone mirroring devices, you've got that system, which is it's really nice. All you have to do is just plug in via a USB, into one of the USB ports on the right hand side here. Talking USB ports, we've got loads. We've got two here. What else have we got? We've got two up here. I'm sure there's more. We've got two in here. We've also got a cigarette lighter here, in here, as well as Kobo sockets all over the place. We've got an auxiliary cable, we've got radar. I mean, this machine is really built for the everyday farmer who is going to have a whole load of different bits of kit running in this machine, but it being fully ISPIS ready and having all of your setup on these two screens as well is really nice. So as I'm sure you can see, I'm quite a big guy. This machine in this cab has got loads and loads of space. We've got the rodeo bars either side of the steering column here. Really easy adjustment of the steering column there. So you've got this main one for the up and down, and then on the right hand side, this little doodah for your in and out and your up and down as well. The other thing that's really nice on this cab is you've got a really good seat swivel round to about 45 degrees. So, and then you've got another rodeo bar right here. Really nice and comfy. Let's just lock in there. So let's say we're getting our drilling work done. You're not going to be craning your neck round to see everything behind you anymore. That's a really comfortable position. But then the other cool thing is if I swing round, the further I come round, if I'm coming to get out of the machine, then I can keep turning the seat another 16 degrees, I believe, and the command arm stays independent. So you're not going to have the command arm with the Command Pro joystick smacking into the steering column. So yeah. So I've actually got to go and hand this back to our transport department now. But stay tuned for more in-depth footage of this 7R and of the 8R, the 8RT and the 8RX. It's going to be a really exciting summer coming up. So our demonstrator machines are due to arrive around the middle of summer. So we're going to get loads more footage out on those. Myself, some of our customers, some of my colleagues out here using these machines in anger, and let's see how they do. Stay tuned, we'll see you next time.